Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Infobooth 19. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare authentic South Indian mango pickle. So everybody loves mango, and this is mango season and it's hot summer. So if you get raw mango in your home, just please give it a try because it's very tasty, and it's very special and close to my heart because it is my atte's recipe. From small age, whenever I go to their home, she used to give me, and she used to keep specially for me, and whenever I visit she used to give it to me, and it is one of my favorite, I can say. So I am giving the detailed recipe in this video, so surely you should give it a try. For this I have taken 2 big mangoes. First, what I am going to do is wash the mango thoroughly, and then you need to wipe it with towel to remove all the water droplets, because if water is there, the pickle will get spoiled easily. So we need to ensure that you need to wipe it completely, and all the spoons or vessels or whatever you're going to use for this mango preparation, it should be washed and dried completely. Otherwise, since we are going to store it for a longer time, it might get spoiled easily. So you need to be very careful when preparing the pickle process. I have cut into small pieces. You can make it as a big piece also, but it will take longer time for brining step and to get all the masalas inside. So I have cut it small pieces. So to follow the ingredients properly, I am going to show you all the measurements correctly. So I am going to measure all these mango pieces and show, so that it will be easy for you to follow the ingredients and its composition. So I am going to transfer into a big basin on all the mango pieces. First, what I'm going to do is we are going to do the brining step. Means we are going to add this mango, and we need to add the salt to it, and we are going to brine it. Brine it means we have to keep it in the salt for 1 or 2 days. 24 hours would be more than enough, but I am going to keep it for 2 days. So I have measured and put all the mangoes. It came around 3 cups of chopped mangoes for me. So for 3 cups of chopped mangoes, I am going to add 1/3 cup of rock salt. Always when adding preparing mango pickle, I prefer using rock salt because it gives an authentic traditional taste. So you can add 1/3 of rock salt, and just you can give it a good mix, and we are going to keep this for 2 days. In between some 2 or 3 times you can just give it a mix and then again close and keep it. In that way evenly it gets spreaded and evenly it gets the brined. So this step we are doing to make the mango pieces very tender, and also to observe all the salt to give more taste to the pickle. So I have kept for 2 days, but 1 day also more than enough. You can even keep it for 24 hours. So after 2 days, what we are going to do is, I am going to dry roast the ingredients. So first I am going to dry roast half a tablespoon of mustard. So this mustard and fenugreek, it is going to elevate the pickle to different level of taste. So you need to surely try this recipe. So half a tablespoon of mustard, you need to dry roast it. The point where it starts crackling and then where the color is changing little bit, so that's the point we need to stop frying this mustard. Now if you see it starts crackling and the color also changed, so this is the point you need to stop, and then you need to transfer into a bowl for cooling. In same way, half a tablespoon of fenugreek or methi seeds you need to add, and once it starts becoming golden color, then you need to transfer. Nice aroma is coming, it is very tempting to have immediately. So once you fry this fenugreek also, you can just keep it aside for cooling. So let's see how our mango looks like after 2 days of brining. If you see, the mangoes are looking very soft. In between, whenever I took to mix everything, I am eating little by little because I can't able to control my temptation. So I am just now if you see the volume also little bit it has reduced. So you just give it a mix. The one thing which you need to keep things carefully is whatever the spoon you're using it for mixing, ensure that it is completely dry. Now if you see, after the brining step, little bit of water content has left out. That is because it is sweating of the mango because of the salt. So if more water is there, you can discard some water, otherwise you can keep it and you can prepare the pickle as such. So for this entire composition, I am going to use 1/3 to half a cup of gingerly oil. I am adding only 1/3, but in case if you are preparing more quantity and if you want to store it for longer time, then you can add half a cup to 1 cup of oil. I have taken 1/3 cup of oil. It is getting heated. Parallelly, what I am going to do is I am going to crush all the fried methi and or fenugreek and the mustard using mortar and pestle. So if you use this mortar and pestle, so nice flavor will come out and it gives an authentic traditional taste. Don't worry, if you have mortar and pestle, you can even put it in mixer jar and you can grind it to fine powder. So now our powder is ready, masala is ready, so we can keep it aside. So once our oil gets heated, let's add half a tablespoon of mustard to the oil, and we have to wait till all the mustard gets crackled. If it doesn't get crackled, pickle will go bad very sooner, so all the mustard should crackle. I have added 5 to 6 garlic cloves, which is purely optional. If you want, you can add, or else you can skip this step. And I have added curry leaf also. If you want to add dry red chili also, it is good. You can add some 3 to 4 dry red chili, and then you need to turn off the stove. So once you turn off the stove, then only we need to add this chili powder. If the stove is on and if the oil is too hot, then the chili powder will get burnt easily. So you need to turn off the stove, and then once the oil little bit the boiling stops, then you can add this chili powder. If you're not having confidence in this step, you can add the oil first to the mango, and then directly you can add the chili powder. Since the oil is hot, the chili powder raw smell will goes away. It gets cooked easily. At this point, when it is hot only, you can check for salt and chili powder taste. If you want more spicy, you can add more chili powder. If you are adding Kashmiri red chili powder, it will give more color, and you can add extra quantity because that doesn't give more spiciness. In case if you are adding normal regular red chili, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons would be perfect. After mixing everything, it looks yummy. Then finally we are going to add this mustard and fenugreek powder. Give it a mix and store it. Taste the pickle after 2 days. It will be very, very tasty, and it will be smooth and tender. One important thing which I need to tell is, do not store this in stainless steel boxes, because since oil and salt is there, salt rusting will be there. So always use only glass bottle or glass ceramic or porcelain or a jug or a pot type to store the pickle. That's all. Pickle is ready. Start eating after 2 days and feel the real authentic taste of mango pickle. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. If you try this recipe, share the dish photo to the email ID given below. Always be happy, stay positive, and spread the positivity among everyone around you. Thanks for watching.